Here, let's see how to integrate the form using an ActiveCampaign. This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower. Here is the form that needs to be integrated. One can subscribe for email updates by entering their information in this form. To publish this form, click here on the Integrate button. One can integrate the form with a website, with the embedded code. Let's use this simple embedded code. Any change one makes on the form will automatically appear wherever the form is published, and as opposed to the full embedded code which publishes any form changes, one will need to re-paste the code on the site. Then there is the link option. By clicking on this, one can get a direct link to the form. One can use the WordPress option to publish the form using the ActiveCampaign WordPress plugin. One can integrate the form with the use of Facebook also. It will allow you to publish the form on your Facebook page. This is how one can integrate the form using different platforms in an ActiveCampaign. Contact Software Horsepower to book a demo. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.